Please join me in welcoming Julia Olson, founder of Our Children's Trust, the recipient of the Sam Rose and Julie Walters Prize for Environmental Activism.
We are an organization that advocates for young people's rights on the issue of climate change. And we help young people file legal actions against governments to hold them accountable for implementing science-based remedies to the problem of the climate crisis. I've been having a great time with the students and having conversations with them about sustainability in their classes and these issues of climate change and democracy. One thing that I've noticed that is different here at Dickinson is I've met with faculty across many different disciplines, and I've been really surprised and impressed at the level of understanding about climate change, from the economics department to the Spanish department. So it's not just within the environmental science department that there's a deep level of understanding and a commitment to integrate sustainability and climate change into curriculum.